I love my dog, I really do. But let's be honest, my dog has absolutely 0-point ambition.
If you're new here, follow the channel and drop your thoughts in the comments. Some dogs save lives. Police dogs sniff drugs. Rescue dogs find humans.
But my dog, he smells other dogs' pee. He smells it like his entire life depends on it.
He freezes, one paw up, eyes focused, like, this is his destiny. I pull the leash like, come on, and he looks back like, no. This pee is important.
And he isn't just sniffing it. Oh no, he is downloading the data. It's never fresh pee. This pee survived rain, survived snow, it survived climate change.
That's the type of pee he is on. Historic pee. He is sniffing on history. Other dogs are heroes. And my dog? He just collects, updates.
To him, this isn't just a pee. This is dog social media. He's scrolling like, follow? Unfollow?
Like, if dogs had resumes, his skills is smelling pee. Very committed.
I'm Dick, by the name. Thanks for watching, and please follow me for more.